I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates moved lower this past week after an emerging sense that the highly anticipated economic recovery this year may be a so-called jobless recovery. This is defined as a situation where economic activity accelerates as measured by the gross domestic product, but companies achieve this improvement by making more efficient use of the current workforce with assistance from temporary employees who typically do not receive health and other benefits. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 5% with 1 7/8 points, down 3/8 of a point from a week earlier, for a savings of $375 on a $100,000 loan. The 5.25% rate is now at 3/8 of 1 point, also down 3/8 of a point from the last day of last year. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage is down half of 1 point, with the 4 3/8% rate now at 1.5 points, and the 4 5/8% rate is now at 3/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. December payroll jobs, which were announced on Friday, fell by 85,000 after having risen by 4,000 in November. But the national unemployment rate remained unchanged at 10% because the statisticians are required by the politicians to make the situation look better than is actually the case. The true unemployment rate rose to 17.3% from the previous 17.2%. During the new week, we will see the November trade deficit on Tuesday, the Fed's Beige Book of Regional Economic Activity on Wednesday, December retail sales on Thursday, and December consumer inflation on Friday. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Sunday for my next free mortgage rate update.